welcome to Colors Cricket Quiz 2020, brought to you by beverage partners Oasis Water and Lacnor, in association with Hardee's, Aldor Properties, Bollywood Parks and Resorts. And today, ladies and gentlemen, is our finale. We're all very excited. I'm dressed like Amitabh Bachchan and Great Gambler for a reason. It is the finale. Look behind at this lovely progression you can see of a young boy who goes from just being a young toddler to a great cricketer with a helmet and the works. That's him. And today is a very proud captain of an international team who I can't mention because of legal reasons. But let's get to our finale and meet our contestants. Wow, so excited. And I have to return this suit in 15 minutes, so I have to rush through this episode. Folks, I'm really happy. I wore a bow tie today. That's respect. Nobody in the last 35 years has worn this. I have worn this. I've had the courage to do it because today is the finale. It's the big one. Let's meet the teams. Green, where are you guys?
Hello everyone. It's my wife Kirti. She's a dentist and whenever she gets time, she watches cricket with me. She's an avid fan of cricket.
And This is my husband Sameer Mungre. He's engineer by profession, but his first love is cricket. Together we are the sharpshooters.
Let's move to red.
Let me introduce my husband Biju Panikar. He's a sports enthusiast and a player. He's extremely competitive and has a great positive attitude.
Really positive attitude. Show us a smile, sweetie. Lovely. And?
Hi, let me introduce my partner in life, my wife Avanti. She's been a player in college and school, and she's highly spirited and positive in her attitude as well.
Let's find yellow.
Hi, this is Shiny, and she's been my best buddy for the past 6 years. And I would like to say that she's going to play as an all-rounder for our team.
She's the all-rounder. She's the Kapil Dev from my Zamana or the Hardik Pandya from yours.
Hey guys, this is Eben. He's my friend. We debuted as colleagues since 2013 and our partnership is still going, and he's a good hit man since then and in all aspects of his life. So together
we are Team Yellow Dhamaka.
You said partnership is growing. What does that mean?
Our partnership is still growing in the sense we are still working together.
I'll leave it. Who's the better player? Who's the better cricketer?
He is the one.
Everybody likes everybody. It's a very happy show. This is the finale, but the competition begins now. We start with section 1, the googly. And we start with this. I demonstrated what's going to come. It's called shout out loud, literally, something like that. And here are the quick rules for scoring. If you correctly guess all three before 15 seconds, you get 30 points per answer. 20 points per answer if you correctly guess between 15 and 30 seconds. And 10 points per answer if it's from 30 to 45 seconds, which is too long. Please do it quickly. Very simple. Everybody understood? Shall we go for it? Can I hear you shout out loud first?
Yeah.
Sounds like a maternity ward. Terrible. I've never heard these sounds in my life. Are we ready? Team Green, who's coming up? She's coming up. All right, up you come. Up you come. We have in our finale our first moment of competition with this lovely lady who's going to come here. Come right here behind the podium. Your time starts now.
Oozing with class. Oozing with class. Oozing with class.
It sounds like, I don't know, for me, it's like Bharatnatyam at the moment. It's
Okay,
like,
next.
Next.
In the arc. In the arc. In the arc.
Sixer.
In the
Just to
arc.
clarify, you're saying in the arc, he's saying sixer. You're watching at home. They are not crazy people.
In
This
the-
is the conversation.
In the
In
arc.
the
30
arc.
seconds.
Yes, in the arc.
Oh, you said it?
Arc.
Yes.
You said
In
it.
the
You said it.
arc.
Go on,
Yes,
next. He's got it. He's got
Eden
it.
Gardens. Eden Garden.
Don't go closer and closer. It's not a romance.
Eden Garden.
3,
Eden Garden.
2,
Out of the ground.
1.
No.
Not bad. I think we got one. It was very tough. The other two teams can see how tough it was. One second. Just tell him what the other two terms were.
Again, I have to
Take off your phone and listen. No,
Eden,
just tell him.
Eden Garden, and the other one was
Oozing with class.
Oozing with class.
Oozing with class. Very tough. Tough without the earphones, that one, honestly. But well done. You got one right.
Oozing with
One is the start, one is 10 points. Green is off the mark. Red, aapki bari, who's coming up?
Avanti will come in.
Avanti, please come forward. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Wankhede Stadium. Wankhede Stadium.
He's looking at you like he's really angry.
Half, second one. Half tracker.
You can act it maybe.
Half
Tracker.
red.
Tracker.
Done.
Tracker.
Half done.
Not a cooking show.
Tracker.
Half
Tracker.
Use
Tracker.
hands.
red.
King Kohli.
Avanti, hands.
King Kohli. King
30 seconds
Kohli.
up. Use the hands. Act it out a little
King
bit.
Kohli. King Kohli. Wankhede Stadium. Stadium. Wankhede Stadium.
2,
Half
1.
tracker.
Stop. I mean, it was like being at Wankhede Stadium, but you can't hear anyone when they're screaming and shouting. Want to tell him quickly? First one was
Wankhede Stadium.
Wankhede. Did you get that at all?
No.
Okay, second one was
Half tracker.
half tracker.
Tracker.
Okay, last
King Kohli.
King Kohli. Did you get it at all? I was trying to tell you, use hands, king, something.
Ah,
Maybe it would have triggered off. No? Doesn't matter. It's tough game. Big hand to red. It's a tough game. And lots of people haven't scored. Red haven't, but there's lots more coming in the game. Yellow, who is the person coming up? Once again, the lady. So we go through 8 episodes without a single man coming up to shout out loud. All right. Big hand, you know the drill. 3, 2, 1, go.
Ball.
Not closer. No ball.
Ball.
Free hit.
Tampering.
Ball tampering.
Correct.
Wow. What's that? That's fabulous.
Okay.
Yeah?
Next one. Spider cam. Spider cam.
Spectators.
No. Spider cam.
Crowd.
Cam.
Camera.
Yeah. Spider.
Side screen.
Spider cam.
Don't get angry.
Buggy cam.
No. Spider.
Camera. Sky camera.
Spider.
Oh, he's
Spider.
somewhere
Out of the
there.
park.
He was somewhere there. 10 seconds.
Flat. Track.
Point at me.
track.
Flash.
No. Spider
Time
cam.
up.
Yes.
We'll give it to you. That's fair enough. Spider cam. That's 2 out of 3. That means you're on the lead. Well done, yellow. Well done. All right, let's see the scores. Green, you are 10. Give yourself a clap. Red, you are 0. I still will clap because it's a sporting show. And yellow, you're at 20 with a fabulous effort in the beginning. All right, that was part 1 of Googly. Part 2 of Googly is heads up. I'll quickly tell you the rules. 45 seconds per team. That's simple. You get the name of the player, which will be written on a placard. They are here. And they'll be placed on top of the head of one of the contestants. I'll hold it. And the other contestant has to act out the name. And you have to guess it. It's pretty simple. There's a limit of 5 players per team written on the placard. For every correct answer, the team gets 10 points per answer. If the player giving the clue sticks any name, it's minus 10. And you have to walk around the park 3 times because Team Yellow likes that. All right? Cool. Everybody good? Shall we start? So who's coming from Team Green for heads up? He doesn't give you a chance to decide. He just sends you off. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1. Your time starts now.
Highest wicket taker of India. Highest wicket taker, Indian player.
Kumble.
Very good.
Pakistani player.
Javed Miadad.
Senior
Huh?
player.
How did you know?
Senior player.
What the hell is going on? Is there a mirror here?
Pakistani player again. He was a captain before.
Imran Khan.
No.
Wasim Akram.
Yeah.
Very good. My God.
He's an Australian bowler. Very tall. He was very
Mega.
aggressive. Yeah.
What the hell? Can he see from behind?
South African all-rounder.
Jack Callis.
He's done it with seconds to spare. He could actually go for a walk and come back. There's about 7-8 seconds left. Janika, walk till it. Outdoor. You can ask Team Yellow to come. Well done, guys. Come on, give them a big hand. Big hand. Lot of pressure on red. Are you ready? Who's coming up?
Avanti.
Once again, the lady's been sent to do the job. 3, 2, 1, go.
A Sri Lankan player, fast run taker. Sri Lankan player, fast master blaster for Sri Lanka.
Sanjay Surya.
Very good.
He has studied in Hyderabad Public School.
VVS Lakshman.
Wow, how you know all this?
Right now, current trending fast bowler of India.
Bumrah. Jasprit Bumrah.
Wow,
Yes,
you
yes.
guys are great. Come on. Next. Go for the next. 30 seconds up.
A ball.
Rahul Dravid.
Okay, you got about 10 seconds. Come on, 10 seconds.
Eve. If you have to match with Eve, what do you match? If you match with Eve, what is the
Come
next
on,
match
man.
with Eve? Dash and Eve. From earlier times when you say in Bible, Christ.
Time up.
Christopher
Christopher.
Reeve.
Christopher Reeve. Adam, bhaiya. Adam. Eve. Adam. Oh, but it was fabulous. Fabulous. You got 4. 4 out of 5. Not bad at all. Avanti, fantastic. Fabulous. Great stuff. Yellow, it's your turn and you have only this panel, or rather this pile. So come on. Who's? The lady again. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
He's an Australian player, good batsman, and he was there long back.
Ricky Ponting.
Correct.
Wow.
And
Guys are good.
Pakistani bowler.
Waka Younis.
Correct.
Oh my God, this is fantastic. If only I wasn't so clumsy, you'll have so many more seconds.
This is similar to Sachin. He's similar in West Indies.
Brian Lara.
Correct.
Oh, superb.
Okay, he's a handsome guy in Pakistani cricket.
Shahid Afridi.
Correct.
You also like him?
Okay, and our Indian bowler who was a long time back, fast bowler who used to open the bowling.
Jagal Srinath.
Correct.
What? Did they see my pile? I don't understand this. It was fabulous, just unbelievable. So let's hear the scores right now. Team Green have 60 points after this round. 60. Team Red, 40. Very close. Keep the claps coming. And Team Yellow have 70. 60. 40. 70. Breaky. Comebacky. Talky Mogi. Good stuff. It's going to be a close one. Welcome back to Colors Cricket Quiz 2020, the finale. So yeah, I speak French. Finale. I'll check if it's French and I'll come back. But in the meantime, we have to thank the people behind our show, the beverage partners, Oasis Water and Laknor, in association with Hardee's, Alder Properties and Bollywood Parks and Resorts. But for now, it's time for the task at hand. We call this Take Strike. And in Take Strike, we have what is called point and shoot at the cones. All you have to do is hit those cones. Who's ready to hit these cones? It's a bit like bowling. It looks simple, but it isn't. You stand at that point. You have a chance with 3 balls each to hit the cones. So that's a total of 6. 10 points per cone. Okay, there's a bonus of 30 points if you cross 3. As in your team hits 3, you usually get 30 points more. So you can win 60 plus 30, 90. All right, that's a lot. That will really take you to the top of the show. So let's go with Team Green. Both contestants, please come up. One at a time will perform, but we'll have both up. Let's go, Team Green, with the first shot. 1, 2, 3, go. Missed. Hit. 1 to go. Missed. So 10 points after 3. What does the mister do? And wow! That hit but didn't fall. That hit and what anger, but. He's trying to kill the host. What power? Did you see that? Okay, so at the end, well done, Green, 20 points. But Team Red is stepping up to the plate. Come on, Team Red. This is the point where you can turn the game in your favor with your sheer talent. He's taking a long run up like Brett Lee. Missed 1. Much better. Missed 2. Got 1. Missed 1. So it's 10 after 3. Pressure on the lady. Avanti, what can you do? 1T. 2T. 3T. Oh, yes. Yes, 20. So it's neck and neck. Well done, Red. 20 points for Red. Well done. Let's go straight to Yellow. Both partners, please come up. You know the rules. You've seen demonstrations by Green and Red. And for some reason, they're looking very tired. Maybe they're saving themselves. I like that reverse sledging style of being all tired, slow. And now watch what happens. Ready? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, start. Miss. 20 is what you have to get. 30 to go in the lead. Missed. Come on, no one's getting bonus at this rate. Yes, 10. 10. So you got 5 cones in place. Look at his style like Chandrasekhar. Oh, he's got some spin in that delivery. Watch the carom ball that's coming through. Yes! That's the bonus! Bonus! 30 points, well done. Can he go for more? He's already got... Ooh, oh! He hit the same cone twice. But yellow gets a bonus. Give them a big hand. Yellow. As they sit back on their chairs, I will quickly give you the scores. As we go into break, let me tell you, it's going to be fun to hear. Green, 80 points. Wow. After this round, 80 points. Team Red is at 60, which is not that far away. 60-80. And Team Yellow, with that huge performance, are at 130 and may run away with the game. So you guys have to buck up, to use Steve Buckner's biography title. Buck up. Buck up coming soon. In the meantime, you guys take a break while I just take a look at the land deals that I can get outside the studio. Bahut badhiya hai bhai. I'll take that house. Welcome for one final time this season to Colors Cricket Quiz 2020, brought to you by our beverage partners Oasis Water and Laknor, in association with Hardee's, Aldar Properties and Bollywood Parks and Resorts. And it's time now for the final over. Okay, let me tell you the rules, because now even though yellow's well ahead, you can still come back if you pay attention and strategize. Here it is. This is the buzzer round. There'll be 10 questions. The team that hits the buzzer first gets to answer. If the buzzer is hit while I'm talking, I have to stop and I won't read out the rest of the question. The teams must answer within 10 seconds of hitting the buzzer. 10 points for every correct answer, -5 for wrong answer. The other teams can hit the buzzer if an incorrect answer is given, but the same rules apply. So you get 10 when it passes, 10 and -5. All right? Pretty simple. Now here's this little sting in the tail. It's called the free hit. The free hit is basically you have one chance where you can just hit the buzzer before I ask the question. All right? So I'll say question 1 and you go buzz and you take that chance. If you get it right, it's like double jeopardy, 20 points. So that takes you straight ahead. If it's wrong, it's -10. So I think if you're losing, if nothing, you've got nothing to lose, go for it. Simple. What do you think, guys? Ready? Any questions? We don't have time to answer, so just say no. Okay, great. Question 1. Nobody. Okay. What's the bowling style description of a left arm leg spinner? What's the name? Left arm leg spin bowler is called a Team Green.
It's a Chinaman.
That's right. Chinaman bowler. Excellent. In the world, politically correct world we live in, yes. Question 2. Who essayed the role of Sakshi Dhoni in the movie MS Dhoni, The Untold Story? Actress. Team Yellow.
Kiara.
Full name?
Advani.
Full name?
Kiara Advani.
Kiara Advani is correct. I just spoke to the family. They said, please use the full name, not Kiara. Because there are lots of Kiaras and then, it's not very Kiara to us who you're talking about. Question 3. Okay. Which stadium's lighting system is renamed or rather named as the Ring of Fire? Come on, guys. Easy one. Stadium's lighting system is called the Ring of Fire. 3, 2, 1. Time up. Dubai International Cricket Stadium. It's right where we are. Where I go for net practice every day and they say, don't come in, you're not wearing pants. Every day. Dubai International Cricket Stadium. How did you get that wrong? Question 4. See my acting, no? Nobody's reacting. Which under construction cricket stadium would soon become the largest stadium in terms of seating capacity in the world, that is? Which under construction cricket stadium amongst all cricket stadiums, not South American stadiums, will be the biggest in the world according to seating capacity? Come on. It was in the papers. At last, homes for a lot of spectators. It's that big. They can stay overnight after the match. Time up. The answer is Motera Stadium, Ahmedabad. It's over 100,000, and if you're very thin, maybe 120,000. Depends on weight. Question 5. Nobody. Who is the first Indian to play 100 T20 internationals? Who is the first Indian to play 100 T20 internationals? 5 seconds to go. Kya ho gaya? Team Red.
Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
Mahendra Singh Dhoni. I said Indian. I did not say anything more than that. Did you carry over? Green press the buzzer apparently. We have a software engineer who's 96 years old. He's claiming that you pressed the buzzer.
No, you're not.
They're saying no. Okay, no worries. So you didn't press the buzzer? I will give the answer and we'll move on. The answer is Harmanpreet Kaur. The trick there was it was Indian and not male or female mentioned. And Harmanpreet Kaur is actually the first to cross to 100 T20 internationals. Number 6. Name the 3 Indian bowlers who have taken a test hat-trick in the chronological order. In the green?
Chetan Sharma?
It's test hat-trick. But now you've already answered. So it's negative. -5, sorry. Anybody else? Oh boy, time up. Answer is Harbhajan Singh, 2001, Irfan Pathan against Pakistan and Jasprit Bumrah. Come on, West Indies. Question 7. Nobody's punting. What were the full names of the famous 3 Ws of West Indies cricket? 10 points per correct name, the 3 Ws. I knew this before I could walk. Before I could walk! Come on, guys, don't do this to me. One of them was arguably the greatest captain. Brought races together. The other one made so many runs in India, we asked him to leave. Time up, time up. It's Clyde Walcott, Everton Weekes, and Frank Worrell. Sir Frank Worrell. I hang my head in shame and pain. But don't worry, you're doing well. Not in this round, though. We've got 2 to go. No, 3 to go. 3 to go. Question 8. Nobody? Guys, if you're losing, this is the time to think about taking that punt. What is Australia's version of the IPL? 1 second. Green.
Big Bash League, BBL.
Yes, BBL, Big Bash League is good enough. You get your points, you're back on the saddle. Question 9. So nobody wants to take that free hit. A weather vane at Lord's Cricket Stadium is famously known as what? If you listen to radio commentary, you have to know this. A weather vane instrument at Lord's is known as what? It's like a person. It's called a name. This is all vintage questions. You need to be a legend. Love your game, not just T20. Okay. Time up. It's Father Time. Father Time. Weather vane. Very famous. Obviously, you all have more interesting lives than me. Don't listen to test matches on radio for a whole day. Alrighty. Multiple choice question to finish. Question number 10. Please, somebody do well. I'll say question 10 and give you a chance. Question 10? I think green. Green! Green, take a look at this before you answer. This is it. This is what Roger Federer has never won. This is what no West Indies, Indian, Australian or Pakistan team has ever won. You can win it. Question 10. A multiple choice question to finish the season. Which is the only team to have contested both the tied tests in the history of Test cricket? Options I'll give you. England, India, Australia, West Indies. England, India, Australia, West Indies. Go for it. All or nothing. In both the tied tests. Come on, think.
Australia.
Yes, mate. Well ball, Shine. Well ball, Gary. Well ball, Gary. Okay. 20 bonus points here if you could tell us who played the test in 1960 for Australia and then coached them in 1986. So connected to both the tests. Played as a player in 1960 and then coached in 1986. Nothing to lose. You have nothing to lose. We'll stop Father Time. Think. He played and then he coached. So 86, who was the coach? He's a very famous Australian coach.
Is it Rodney Marsh?
Rodney Marsh in 1960 was about 12 or 13, maybe 14. But now, I can't give you a second chance. Okay, it's a famous Rishi Kapoor film, his first name.
Bobby Simpson.
Yes! Bobby Simpson, because you love cars and you wore that Montica belt and came here and I made you change and wear this now. What a fabulous finale we've had, guys. Thank you so much. We'll be back with the scores. Winner, runner-up and third place. Team Green, 35 points in this round, your final over, buzz round, and 115 total. Not bad at all. Team Red, -5 in this round, but 55 in total. Put up a fight, wasn't your day. Team Yellow, 10 only in this round, yaar. And because of that, you still win 140 points. 140 points, well done. And before we call you runner-up onto the podium, I want to just tell you, if you got Bobby Simpson right, you would have won. Because that bonus would have taken you 40 points ahead. So well done to everybody. Red, really well done. Guys, just pulling your legs, you were great. All right, let's meet our runner-up. Green team, please come to the podium. Congratulations, you won 4 tickets to Bollywood Parks Dubai, the first and only theme park showcasing blockbuster Bollywood movie-based rides and shows. And shows me this side, please, and you this side, sir. And you get this lovely, lovely 4 tickets to Bollywood theme parks. There you go. Well done.
Thank
Guys,
you so much.
you have 4 people to go?
Yes, sir.
You have kids? Come close. You have to pose for the camera. The winning moment in the finale. Give us a lot more expression. Yeah. Okay, that will do. All right. Well done. Let's meet the winner. Coming now. Wish I was a winner, because the winner gets an Ultra HD TV set, 55 inches, smart television, the works, all in this lovely package on our finale. And the winner is Yellow! Come on, 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 Yellow! Well done, Yellow. Well done. You are fabulous. This is for both of you all. Please enjoy the moment. This is the rolling trophy, because it rolls back to us from time to time. Well done, both of you. Put your hands up. Look at the camera. Look at this camera here. This is where the people are watching. That is the toilet area. This is where the main hall facilities are. Enjoy. And I just want to request one thing. Can you give me 5 dirhams? I'm taking an Uber from here. Do you have? I don't have any cash on me. All right. Can we invite the others? Come on, guys. Come on in. Come on in. Red and green. Green well played. Red well played. What a season it's been. It's been great fun. Give us your feedback. If you want to change anything, put me on a partner, turn me around. We'll do it for you next season. Till then, have a great week, great year, great life, great season. Watch cricket and enjoy yourself. Let's end with a classic cover drive to show you we all love our cricket. Ready, guys? Cover drive. I don't know. I'll have to double check the footage. Huh?